Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable your messages notifications on your SweetMeet app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. And then you click here on settings, you just click on it. You just click here on settings here. It's going to take you to next step here. So you have to so then now it's going to show for you like this. You click here on application settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. Just click on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just come here to your messages, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here new messages notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.